Today I want to talk about gas versus electric. And so this is kind of how the bill shook out for April and May. For our cabin here, we had electric at 241.27 and the gas bill was 1976. In May, when we didn't have the electric heaters on, it dropped to 157. I think it's 99 there. Our shop in town, which has the beauty salon and an apartment, it's a side by side kind of deal. It was the gas is 190.16 for April, and then for May was 161.37. So here's the point of this is in our house, our cabin here, we have gas heat, and we had put in an electric heat pump, right? That takes care of our air conditioning during the summer is the main reason we got that. And it takes care of heating during the day, during the winter a little bit. We have wood that we heat with in here, but we've got the TV right here, and we had the wall mount gas furnace, right next to it. So when the fan kicks in on this, you can hardly hear the TV. The nice thing about that is it runs quietly. You can still watch TV without having to crank the volume up on the TV. Where with just this, you always had to crank the volume up on the TV. We love our tiny house living because we do have the view of the lake right across the landing. But now I want to show you too what we heat with right now in the 3-season room or 4-season room that we added. In the basement, I insulate it, and for the most part, and we've got 2 electric heaters down there. Those got shut off during April. That's why you see the drop in the electric bill between the heater up on the wall in the cabin here and the 2 heaters in the basement. Let me show you that. In the basement where I have my office area, we've got the E-Heat, which allegedly runs at 4 cents an hour. Nice thing about this is that it's controlled by my phone. I can control it anywhere in the world, basically. When I come down to work in the office during the winter, I have to kick this in. The E-Heat will not keep up, even with the ceiling having R13 in here. Okay, it just won't keep up. And then I also have one small heater here, which actually I set at 50, and that, when I'm not in here, kind of does keep between the 2 electric heaters, does keep it above, freezing. So we can keep stuff down here for storage that wouldn't, so it doesn't freeze and crack open and whatever, get ruined. Okay? So the point is this, is I really wanted to join the electric, clean energy type deal. But what's going to happen here, obviously, and that was April what you saw, not January and February. The idea of electric heat here in northern Wisconsin, the split in the house, in the cabin, will not keep up. Okay? So we use the wood stove almost every day. If we're home, it's 24/7, trying to keep that electric heater from running in there during the day. And then at night, the gas one actually kicks in when we're sleeping. So, if we had to rely on that heat pump alone, we'd freeze to death. And we don't have a big cabin. So, we're doing tiny house living because we just love the view and the art out here and, the beauty and quietness of everything. So, you can tell by a difference just in the bill between April and May. April when we were running the electric, May when we weren't. That's almost $90. And that's not in the heat of winter or the dead of winter. So, the idea of heating with electric, as far as I am concerned, is a myth, a fallacy, dreamed up by people that really don't live in a cold climate. I might be wrong, that's my personal opinion, but I think the numbers really kind of back that up. So, um, I think that really needs to be considered. This idea, this electric dream, is good in some applications, like my weed trimmer and my handheld blower. You know, they work great. The idea of being able to heat my house efficiently and economically just isn't going to happen, at least with the technology today and the prices of electric today. So with that said, just want to bring that out to you so you think that through if you're looking at making any, changes. Have a great day. Thank you for listening. And we've got many more videos out there at Perrodin the Project Specialist. Check them out. Hit that subscribe button. And I got an idea what I'm going to bring you tomorrow. We'll just see how it all pans out. Have a great day.